been thinking a lot about it, and I think I need to quit. Sorry. No, don't quit. We've come so far. I mean, I got all the supplies, and you picked up the designs today, right? Yes, I did pick up the designs today, and then I took the name of our company and put them with the designs and put two and two together. I'm so sorry. I mean, Mittens for kittens. Did you not realize we were making things for cats? No, I didn't realize that. Why are we making things for cats? Well, because they're a huge untapped market and they have a lot of money. It just feels dirty somehow, you know? No, I don't know. How is this dirty? I mean, I don't see cats wearing our product. Cats. Listen, I'll put it this way. We make the product, they buy the product. Who cares if they wear it? But then we take those profits and then turn that into a business for making things for dogs like we always talked about, but they're more expensive. Okay, since you put it that way, and if you're sure, let's do this.